Have you recently joined a gym and wondering if there was a way to transport it with you on vacation? Relax. Staying active during the vacation does not need equipment or gymming gear. All it needs is some quick on-the-go thinking and ingenuity. Here are 5 ways in which you can stay active while on vacation. First, go for long walks. If you are chilling out on a tropical paradise, then you can easily enjoy a good walk on the beach. And you really would not mind it when we tell you walking on the beach burns twice the calories as walking on flat ground does. And if you really want more health benefits, then try walking on sand barefoot. Sand is a great exfoliant. Walking barefoot on sand will give you soft soles and remove any dead skin cells as well. Meanwhile, if you're holidaying somewhere on the hills, even better. Hills are a great way to connect with nature. A long walk on the hills is great for cardiovascular health. Plus, it also improves the mood because it's a natural paradise. And if you're partying somewhere in the Emirates where there are none of the above and the temperature is really not suited to going out for walks, then take a cue from the locals and go for mall walks. Second, if you're not really a walk person or don't have the leisure time to go on long walks on your vacation, then you could try the 20-minute hotel room workout. It's basically 4 exercises, which is body weight squats, incline push-ups, reverse lunges, etc. If you feel the need for weight training, there's a hack for that too. Your luggage. You can easily do a 1-arm luggage row for those killer biceps. Next, you can try a new adventure sport. You can go kayaking, which is great for cardiovascular fitness. Or if you really love the sea, you can try surfing as well. Surfing will be great for your leg and core. Plus, it will give you great memories from the vacation as well. Fourth, you can rent a bicycle to go around the destination. In almost every major tourist destination, there's a bike rental available. You have to deposit some identity card and pay a deposit, and you're free to rent a bike for a couple of hours or days even. This is a great way to explore a place. It gives you a chance to really experience it from up close, and you already know the benefits of cycling. So what are you waiting for? Include these suggestions in your next vacation and keep up your fitness even away from your home gym. If you like this video, keep following our space.